Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new in my blog, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And follow for more video. Hi guys, so we need to open our application of Etisalat. So after you open Etisalat guys, we need to pay our due bill in our internet connection. So as you can see in our Yes application, we have 3.59 balance past due date of our bill of Etisalat. So we need to pay this one guys using online. So we are using our NBD debit card to pay this 3 dirham and 0.59 pills. So to pay this one guys, we need to click this pay. Okay. And after this one guys, we can see this one, pay with the card, or we can pay with EN money. So for today guys, we will use other cards. So we need to change the mode of payment. So as you can see guys, add the new credit or debit card and EN money card. So there is a lot of option how to pay our Etisalat bill online. So for now, we need to click this add new credit and debit card. So we will use new card. So as you can see guys, are you sure you want to pay the 3 dirham 0.59 pills? So just click pay. And after that one guys, continue. So you can see this one guys, just fill up your card number and fill up also the details of your card like expiry and then the validation code at the back of your card so that it will be processed. So after this one, you fill up the card guys, you need to select the pay. Okay, so put the card number and then select the pay. So after this one guys, as you can see, the name, merchant name, Etisalat is there. Then the amount you pay. Then you will receive also OTP registered in your mobile number for your bank account. So after you receive the OTP guys, just copy that OTP and put in the box and submit. So it's easy to pay online. So no hassle, no need to go in the kiosk. So click submit guys, and after that one guys, you can see the payment is successful. So it's easy to pay in our bill payment in the application of Etisalat. So thank you for watching guys. If you have more questions, and you can comment down below, and don't forget to follow and share to your friends on how to pay our online bills in Etisalat. So thank you for watching guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye guys. And don't forget to share. God bless to all. See you. Ayan, so as you can see. If you want more video like this guys, don't forget to follow, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye guys.